Okay, we are back at the seed library, and because we got a notification this morning that they got restocked. So we got lots of spring. Oh, there's some turnips. Hey, see this? Turnip, lots of turnips there. Green squash, green herbs. Lots of herbs. There's cilantro. Italian parsley, pepper, onions, and let's see here. Carrots, radish. Did y'all find radish the other day? Parsnip. So what have you settled on so far there? Let's see what you got. Got the red okra and the Swiss chard. What are you leaning toward? Ooh. Garlic chives. Yum, yum. There's catnip.
Mm-mm.
No? You don't get any catnip?
Mm-mm.
What's that deal? So we got the 3. We get 2 more, right? What about some flowers? You get some flowers? Alright. Sweet Swiss chard, red okra, garlic chives, and bunching onion. We get 1 more. Pick me. Which one are you gonna pick? Did we get any radish last time? Okay. So the 5th and final, squash straight neck yellow. That sounds good. So there are our picks for the week. Okay, we got our 5. And thank you, the Seymour Library, Seed Library, getting our garden off to hopefully a good start here.